Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel iQOO. In this we are going to do the anti-benchmark test comparison between the iQOO 7 versus Realme X1 Max device after the recent software updates. So this is a question which has been requested by a few of my subscribers, asking me to compare both phones in terms of the Antutu benchmark. Which phone has got what type of Antutu benchmark test after the recent update. So which is a September security patch update I did receive a couple of days back in the Realme X1 Max, and a couple of hours ago I did get in the iQOO 7 device. So let's see how much Antutu benchmark score we can actually expect between these both phones. So during this time, I'm not using any high performance mode. I'm not using any ultra game mode. So without using any kind of high performance mode and ultra game mode, so we're going to do the Antutu benchmark test between these both phones just to check the performance of the CPU and the GPU and the temperature as well. That's another main thing you should definitely understand. Right now the brightness I'm trying to keep equal, which is kind of close to 50% between these both phones. That's perfectly done, 50% brightness. And both phones are completely clear from the background RAM management. That's also perfect. Let me need to open the Antutu benchmark test application. And before that, I forgot to show you, there's a process manager which is called, you need to clear everything from the process manager. Let's clear everything from the process manager. So everything is completely clean. So this is another thing you should definitely remember. In the Realme X1 Max, you can actually clean a little bit kind of more cache as well. Now let me try to start doing the Antutu benchmark test between this both phones. And both phones I'm trying to use same Antutu version, which is exactly same 9.1.7, and I'm going to check the temperatures between these devices, 33.6 and 34.2, 33.4, just little bit, 34 degrees, not a huge difference, just little bit high, but nothing much major. And my room temperature is also 29.2 degrees, my room temperature, you can clearly see. So there is no AC, there is no cooler, nothing at all. So and back side it's of 33.6, and temperature is another key thing to check which phone gets really high. So Dimensity 1200 versus Snapdragon 870 chipset, 8GB RAM variant versus 8GB RAM both phones. So again I'll be back after some time. So right now, as you can see friends, we did get close to 60%, 62%, and the temperature is about 37 degrees and 37.8 degrees. So not bad. So both phones are having the exactly kind of close temperatures. 37 degrees, I mean 1 degree higher in the Realme X1 Max, exactly 1 degree. You can see clearly 38 degrees and 36.8 degrees. So let's move to the back side. Back side 36.2, 36.8, 36 degrees on the back side. On the Realme X1 Max, 37.8 degrees on the back side. So slightly higher temperatures in the Realme X1 Max, more than the iQOO 7 device at this point of doing the Antutu benchmark test. So it's not a huge difference, just only 1 degree is different, 1 degree Celsius, nothing much. And again I'll be back after some time. Just let's continue this Antutu benchmark test, and this is the September security patch update only. I'm gonna test a lot of speed tests and other things as well, so stay tuned for those videos in case if you're interested. So I'm gonna be back after some time. So right now we're getting close to end of the test results, and this is going to be really interesting to see how well that Snapdragon 870 performs against the Dimensity 1200. And the end of the results, you can see the temperature is 37.2 degrees in the 37.4 in the Realme X1 Max and 36.4. So exactly friends, 1 degree it's higher in the Realme X1 Max. So right now we got the score which is about 7,01,621, 7 lakhs. And Realme X1 Max got about 6,75,000. So which is as usual scores which I used to get before, and these are the scores which I got after the recent September security patch update between these both phones. So now it's time to compare. We got to know the final score. There's a difference between 25,000 difference is there. And one more quick note, if you're using the variant maybe 12GB RAM variant, you might get higher score as well. But my unit is 8GB and 128GB model. I got this kind of score. So my highest was 6,91,000 overall, highest till now in this device. And the highest in the iQOO 7 device, it went up to 7,20,000 as well. In my recently iQOO 7 device which I got, 7,20,000. Yes, it did go that higher. But let's compare in this test what is happening with the CPU comparison. So 1,87,000 versus 1,74,000, and 2,42,000 versus 2,37,000 in the GPU segment. You can clearly see side by side comparisons. And the temperature is slightly kind of close to each other, 36.7 degrees and 37 degrees also it got increased. That's it friends, thank you for watching this video, and in case if you have any other queries, let me know in the comment section below. Meanwhile, signing off. Bye.